This is Domingo Ankuash signing the Declaration of Independence for Nature Nations, for the Amazon Basin to be recognised as the world's newest, most beautiful, world-leading, sustainable country that is completely protected by industrial destruction, or development as others call it. But this document gives the chance to effect a complete international moratorium on industrial destruction in the rainforest. It's the only existing law which can achieve this, so it's really important. Yeah. And the most important thing is that when the Indigenous leaders read of this law that exists, that gives them the right to complete sovereignty with the world's support under an Antarctica agreement type benchmark to protect this ecosystem, they completely believe in it and understand it entirely. It speaks to them, and it's existing law. So, you know, for all those people who say we want to protect the rainforest, there is, to my knowledge, other than good conscience, no other plan to achieve it. Thank you, Secretary General. You might go sign it.